Many of us have heard of Hyundai. Maybe you drive a Hyundai car, but do you know how big the Hyundai Company is? Let's unbox the world of Hyundai. The Hyundai Group is a South Korean multinational conglomerate company founded by Chung Ju-young in 1947. It was started as a construction company to develop Korea after the Second World War. Along with the South Korean government, Chung and his family members expanded the business across various industries and became South Korea's second biggest enterprise group. Hyundai Motors was established in 1967 to make economical cars for the people of Korea and the world. Hyundai Motors has the world's largest integrated automobile facility in Ulsan, South Korea, with a production capacity of 1.6 million cars per year. They sell cars in 193 countries through 6,000 dealerships and showrooms. The company owns 33.6% of Kia Motors and owns the luxury car maker Genesis Motors and Ioniq, an electric car division. The very famous Boston Dynamics is owned by the Hyundai Motor Group. Hyundai Heavy Industries, or HHI, is the world's biggest ship manufacturer and was founded in 1972. They make VLCC, container ships, oil and natural gas drilling ships, LNG Carriers, LPG Carriers, Naval Vessels and more. They also construct offshore oil and gas rigs, FPSO, ship barge and ship transport vessels. Hyundai Rotem is a major supplier of South Korea's rolling stock, including high-speed trains, electric locomotives and electric multiple units. They also deliver internationally in Hong Kong, Taiwan, India and Canada. You may be surprised to know that Hyundai also manufactures defence products like the K1A1 main battle tank, the K2 Black Panther main battle tank, armoured vehicles, heavy equipment transporters and more. By the mid-1990s, Hyundai had over 60 subsidiaries in automobile manufacturing, construction, chemicals, electronics, financial services, heavy industries and shipbuilding. In the 1997 Asian financial crisis, the company spun off many of its businesses, but not every business named Hyundai is connected to the Hyundai Group. Now they have businesses under Hyundai Motor Group, Hyundai Department Store Group, Hyundai Heavy Industries Group, and Hyundai Development Company. The other subsidiaries are still run by relatives of Chung. If all these companies formed under one business, it would become the largest company in South Korea with enormous economic and political power. I hope you like this information. For more interesting videos, follow and subscribe now. Make sure to share it, stay connected, be updated.